To create a parlay on Bovada, start by logging into your account and navigating to the sportsbook section. A parlay is a type of bet that involves combining multiple individual wagers into one single bet, and it can be a great way to increase your potential payout. First, select the sport you want to bet on, such as football or basketball, and then choose the specific game or event you are interested in. Browse through the available betting options, including point spreads, money lines, and over/under totals. As you find bets you like, click on them to add them to your bet slip. You can add up to a certain number of bets to your parlay, depending on the sportsbook's rules. For example, you might choose to bet on the New England Patriots to win, the Los Angeles Lakers to cover the spread, and the total points scored in a certain game to go over a certain number. Once you have added all the bets you want to your parlay, click on the parlay option in your bet slip. This will calculate the total odds and potential payout for your parlay. Make sure to review your bets carefully and confirm that you are happy with your selections. It is also important to understand the rules and risks of parlays. If any of the individual bets in your parlay lose, the entire parlay will be graded as a loss. However, if all the bets win, you will receive a payout based on the combined odds of the individual bets. To place your parlay bet, enter the amount you want to wager and click the Place Bet button. Your parlay bet will then be processed and you will receive a confirmation of your wager. Remember to always bet responsibly and within your means. It is also a good idea to do some research and stay up to date with the latest news and trends in the sports you are betting on. By following these steps and being mindful of the risks and rewards, you can create a parlay on Bovada and potentially increase your chances of winning big.